How to get Nintendo Refund 2026. To request a refund, you simply have to log into your profile on the official Nintendo support portal. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, tap on the search bar, then type Nintendo support. Once you're here, you simply have to go ahead and open the official website, then proceed to log into your account. Select the shop menu from your dashboard, then click the purchase history to see your list of recent eShop games. Copy the order number or transaction ID for a specific game or DLC you want to return. All you have to do is, once you're here within the support page, go ahead and select your region and set your topic to account and billing. Once you're here within this panel, you simply have to choose the live chat option or prompt the automated chatbot for a representative, then provide the support agent with your account email, console serial number, and the copied order number. State your reasons clearly, and you should be able to receive your refund amount from there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.